Today we will see this problem number 17. This is nothing is written here, so if we take this front view, then this will be left hand side view. If we take this as front view, this will be right hand side view. So in both cases, this will be on the right side, this will be on left side. So let us start with the problem. Length is 50, the height is 40 plus 15, that is 65, and this part is having 40 by 40. So let us start with the base. Draw this line, then this is 30 at 30 degrees, this is 50, the height of base is 15, so this is 15, then the width is also 50, so this is 50, again at 30 degrees, so 50 by 50. So you can complete this box. So it is 50 by 50. Then there is a slot here which is having, so this is 10, this is 10, and the height of this is 5, so 5, so this is the slot having the height 5. Then this particular part is having the height 40 and it is the length is also 40, so from here it is 10, so leave this 10 somewhere else here. So draw a line parallel to this at 10, faint line. Then from this side, if we take the view of this, then it is 5 from either side, so you can leave this 5 as well as this 5, so you can draw the line parallel to this. So this is 40 by 40, so the height is also 40, so you can extend this by 40, can extend this by 40, can extend this by 40, all this by 40. So this will be 40, this is 40, then you can complete this, so this is 40 by 40, this is 40, this is 50, this is 50, this is 15, this is 5, this is 10, so this is so this is 40 by 40, the height is 40, the width is also, the length is also 40, 40 by 40. Then if you look at this, there is a hidden rectangle shown here, so it is written here 30 square. It means there is a hole inside which is having 30 square hole, or there we can say, so this is 40 by 40. So if you leave from all the side 5, 5, 5 and 5 and draw lines parallel to this. So this is, we can say, we can have this particular square hole as 30 by 30. This is 40 by 40. So you can make it dark. So this is the square inside, and this is having depth of 10, so you can draw a line equal to 10, and from here you can draw a line parallel to this. Again from here draw a line parallel to this. So this is what is the square hole. Now you can see here there is a round of 30 diameter, and that round is having length of 20, so it is here. So that is having, this is 40 by 40, so it is 30 by 30. So you can extend these lines, you can join it 5 from either side. So this is what is, from here we can get, it is 30 by 30. This is 40 by 40, so this is 30 by 30. Here these are the 120 angles. You can join the midpoints of the opposite lines. So from here you can join this, from here you can join this, and with the help of this center, this one and this one, take this as center, this much as radius, you can draw this. Take this as center, this much as radius, you can complete this. Take this as center, this much as radius, from here to here, and from this as center, this much as radius, you can complete. So you can get this, but it is having length of 20, length of 20. So this is to be projected here. So we have used these 4 centers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all these 4 centers are to be brought parallel to this, all by 20 mm. So 20 you can take it from here. So you can mark these centers as 20, then this is 20, then this is somewhere else 20, and this one is 20. So all these 4 centers are to be brought parallel to this one, to be by 20 mm, and you can take this same as radius. With the same as radius, you can draw this, and take this as radius, this much as radius, this as center. You can then take this as radius, this much as radius, you can complete this, and this as radius, you can complete. and you can join these two circles. You can join these two circles tangentially, touching to this. And you can make it dark. This one, then up to this, then this one. And you can rub inside all this. You can see this, how it is drawn. First I have located this 30 by 30. This was 40 by 40. So I have located 5 from this 5 mm, 5 mm, 5 mm. So I have got this rhombus as 30 by 30. Then I have drawn this circle inside it with the 4 center method. Then I have brought all these 4 centers used by 20 mm. All these centers are to be transferred by 20 mm parallel to this. Taking the same radius, you can draw another circle same as this. Join these both circle by the line tangential, and you can rub whatever there inside. You can see how it appears. So this is what is the diagram. So you can make it this one dark. So it is the isometric and one line parallel to this from here, or parallel to this one. So this is what is the diagram or the isometric of this one.